How to export from Wrike. In this video, I'll show you how to export from Wrike. Exporting data from Wrike can help you share project details, analyze progress offline, or archive information. So to do that, go ahead and head over into the space where you want to export a data from, and then set this into table view. So click on table on the top left of your screen, and then from here click on these three dots at the top right of your table. So once you click on that, you'll be able to find this export data button. So you'll find this export this table to Excel. So go ahead and export this table, and then you'll be able to find it into your downloaded or downloads folder. And then once you open it, you'll be able to find all of the information that you have on your table for that specific project. And that is how you can basically export from Wrike. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.